Now let us go to page number 7. There's a poem given here, and as you can see the picture, what is there? It is a train. It is doing chuk 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 chuk. And there's a tree with yellow beautiful flowers, right? Now let's read this poem. Chuk 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 goes our train over the hills and down to the plains. Chuk 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 goes our train. Bogies before my bogie, bogies after my bogie. Underline before and after, children. Make a chain over the rivers and in the rain. Chuk 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 goes our train. So what does this poem say, children? It tells about the train which goes making the sound of chuk 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 chuk. Okay. So it goes over the hills. It will go above the hills and down to the plains. It will go up and down. See, hills means betta. Chik chik betta mein log hote hain. And down to the plains. Plains and a plain land irutte. There will be plain land which is full of grass or short herbs like that. So there it goes above the hills and down to the plains. So chuk 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 goes our train. Bogies before my bogie. What is a bogie, children? So bogie is this box which is after engine, where we passengers sit, or sometimes there is cargo trains which carry goods, which carry things. So after the engine, you see all the boxes kind of thing which the engine pulls, right? Those are called as bogies. Okay? Bogies before my bogie. So one after the other, one before the other, there are bogies. Okay? So bogies before my bogie, bogies after my bogie. Make a chain. It looks like a chain, correct? So it goes over the rivers and in the rain. So here what they said, it goes over the hills and down to the plains. Here it goes over the rivers. So over the rivers means they would have built a bridge above the river, and it goes on that bridge which has a railway track. Okay? And in the rain, even if it rains, the train moves. Okay? Chuk 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 goes our train. Now in the poem there is always a beautiful point, children, which you need to observe. There are going to be rhyming words. See, you are small kids. You might be or you might not be aware of rhyming words. Rhyming words means which has same kind of words like can, pan, tan, man, top, mop, mat, cat. So look at the words, how it is. Everything is so rhyming. You can see when you pronounce, it ends with the same tone, correct? Here let us underline the rhyming words. Train, plane. Okay? Then again train, rain. With rain, again it goes train. Correct? So, any other words which I have left, children? Oh yeah. See, the chain. So, train, plane, train, chain, rain, train. Nice, na? Okay. Now, let us go to the exercise. How many bogies are there after engine? Children, this is engine. It is engine, okay? This one. So, after engine, how many bogies are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 bogies after the engine. Correct? Next. How many bogies are there before the red bogie? So where do you find red bogie? Here. This is red bogie. And what are they asking? Before the red bogie. Before. Not after. It is before. There are 1, 2. How many bogies are there before the red bogie? It is 2 bogies. Correct? So we are going to write 2. For the third question, we need to have color pencils, children. Get your color pencils, okay? Now, I have kept my color pencils like this. So get your color pencils and we'll start coloring. I'm sure everybody likes to color, right? Yes, even I love to color, children. Let's see. Fill the orange color in the bogies after the red bogie. So after the red bogie, there are 2 bogies which has no color. We need to color orange. Okay? Yes. Do it with me, children. Yes, we are done. Okay? Now, let's go for 4th question. Fill the blue color in the bogies before the red bogie. So, there are again 2 bogies which are empty. Empty in the sense no color. We need to fill blue color. It says before the red bogie. After we colored orange, right? Now it is before the red bogie. So let us do blue color. Okay, children. Come on, do it fast and do it cleanly. Fast doesn't mean you need to do some or the other way. You do it cleanly, but be a bit quick, okay? So these are little bigger bogies also. See, if you see in the picture, these are small compared to these 2. Correct, children? Yes, we are almost done. I have done it quite lightly. You can do it dark, okay? So, we are done with page number 7, okay?